Now, this is what, a day after surgery. You had the lumbar fusion yesterday, which is L45, discectomy, and then a cage and screws. Let's see you have a little walk. Yeah, good. And then back that way.
Backwards?
No, the other way. You can just turn just to see your posture. Right. And how about your kind of, I know it's a bit early, but just do a little bit of bending forward.
Still
yeah.
A little bit tight.
Yes.
But it's, I don't feel my disc pain.
Yeah, you're not
the
feeling...
The muscles,
just the muscles. And then sideways, how do you feel?
That's good. I ain't done that yet.
Yeah. So considering this is only less than 24 hours after the operation, this is what, 18 hours after the surgery, and you're doing great. Yeah. Fantastic. Well done.